What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. I am, hopefully, everyone's having a good morning so far. We'll see how today goes. Another day of streaming. I don't know, I guess I'm starting to like streaming. I guess it's something that I am enjoying, and so I want to keep up. So I'll probably be quiet really at this open because I need to concentrate, but you can see my screen and we'll just go from there. Let's see. I'm watching quite a bit. LIXT. I'm hoping to get in on this pop here. Should be really nice. I'm also already in one CDXC pre-market. I'm hoping to get in more on this pop. If we don't get a pop, then I'll just miss it, but I'll cover a small piece because why not? I'm already up. And we'll see if it starts to drop, but I will like to add on that one. But I'm hoping to get an LXIT. I borrowed shares on it. So we'll see if it was worth the borrow, and if it wasn't, it wasn't, you know? That's just how it is. Maybe we're getting this pop now, LIXT. This could be the pop that I'm looking for, which would be great. Which would be really great, so hopefully it is. And if it is, then I can get in my position. I'm also watching Gamestop still. Damn, LIXT just tanking. Gamestop I'm watching at these levels. We'll see what happens. I'm not 100% sure yet. Nowhere near confident. CDXC, you can see why I shorted it. I'm going to cover a piece around 18. But ultimately I need bigger range on this because I need better size because I got it in pre-market, so really this is just a starter. Maybe we can get some further pullback, maybe not. I like a lot too though. Hopefully I can, we'll see. Let's see.
Last 16.
All right, cans moving up. See if we can get a pop up here. I'll take a starter. We'll see what will happen there. We got LIXT. Hopefully that can start to pop. If it doesn't, then I just missed it. CCIV is interesting because now, big picture, we're kind of bullish here, right? Still bearish, but bullish too, and just waiting, just waiting. I'm gonna be watching this. GameStop's looking kind of weak. AMC's popping. CCIV, I may miss that. That's okay. RKT. Don't really have a plan for that yet. Well, I missed the dip buy on CCIV so far. Pop on can just happened. Just gotta be patient. Just gotta be patient. We're only 6 minutes into the market open. Covered some more of CDXC. We might get a halt on can. Man, that was too tight of a cover. I hate when I do that. I hate when I cover two pieces too close. I should have looked at that. LXT, we're getting a little pop. May get a halt here. I'm going to take a piece right here because we're not halting. And if we're not halting, that's a... Oh, no, we are going to halt. Okay, cool. Maybe we can get a pop even higher than that. If you're watching, thanks for being here. I can't really talk at this moment because I got to concentrate, but afterwards I'll be happy to talk, answer questions, review charts. Yeah, that was a great dip buy on CCIV. Missed it. Hindsight's always 20/20, isn't it? Rocket's interesting. I'm freezing this freaking house right now. Holy crap. This is my main watch. So I'm hoping we can get a bigger bounce. Otherwise, I won't get my size that I really want. So that's okay. CDXC. Well, great entry, but this thing's not coming. I mean, I'll hold that small piece. We'll see what happens. I'll let it play out. Well, LIXT. fading a little bit. Hope you guys are all doing well this morning. I'll get to your questions as soon as I can. I can't really look at chat right now, but I do appreciate each and every one of you guys being here. It encourages me to keep doing this. So if you could share it with other people, I appreciate it. Because the more people that join, the more encouraging it is, to be honest. And so we'll see. The hardest part for me sometimes is waiting for the best entry, because I know where it is, but sometimes it doesn't give it to me. So we'll see if I get it. I'm like freezing in this house right now. So we're getting a pop. Hopefully we can get to that 17 mark. And LIXT, no pop yet. CCIV hit resistance, which is one of the reasons why I wouldn't want to touch it yet. I wanted to see it drop more. This resistance is important, and if you bought here, I would have sold up here. Freezing my butt off. GME still popping. 1 second, I'm gonna turn the heater on because I'm freezing. Okay. Did I get in? Nope, not yet. Let's go ahead and freezing. Sometimes I just put wide risk, so if my power goes out, I'm protected. Because, when you're in Dallas and you have a winter storm and power goes out, you learn your lesson pretty quickly. I am freezing right now. I bought this new portable heater. It's really sick, but I tried running it today and it shut off my power, the surge protector, twice. I think it was that. I don't know, but probably can hear that I'm freezing. Whew. Let's see. LIXT, if I only got this positioned in, I'm going to be looking to cover maybe just a small piece, to be honest, not a big piece at all. It's 610 if it drops, just to cover a small piece, but I'll have to cover the majority around 5. We're blue skies right now, which is all-time highs, so that is concerning. Look, on the weekly chart. So I am keeping that in consideration. Holy moly, I'm freezing. Okay. It's gonna keep me up though, that's for sure. What is this? not interested in that. Well, nah. Whew. Looks like can's not gonna happen. Again, guys, if you're just joining, just to let you know, I'm not reading chat right now until after about the first hour of trading, because I gotta be full focus, man. At the end of the day, I gotta be full focus. And I'll be happy to talk about what I'm seeing, description of everything. But right now, I'm just like really focused. I'm paying attention to CDXC because I want to see if there's going to be a good opportunity for me to size in. LIXT doesn't look like there's going to be a real opportunity for me. Oh, I just covered a small piece, which is great. But maybe on this one I can add some more size. Right now these are just baby covers. I should have sized in bigger near the open here, but I didn't. It's just what it is. It is what it is. Still don't know personally about GameStop yet. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm like shivering. So I'm definitely looking at it for a potential entry on this one as well. Hopefully all you guys are trading well. All I'm focused on is executing well. That's it. So even though I didn't get the size I want, it sucks. But I'm not going to force it. I'm going to wait. And if today's a day where I can't get my size in, it's just that day. Because I know when I force it, it's not good. Damn, can. Let's put an alert on can. You know, let's put an alert on this one too, just in case. see. We will see. Again, guys, if you're new here, thanks for being here. I'll say real quick. A Lee, good morning. Hamza, what's up, my man? Still at work, so I'm gonna have you in the background. Good luck. Thanks, brother. Cousin of Hermes, good morning. We like that you like it. Have a good trading day. Thanks, brother. Christian, what's up, my man? Ravi, what's up? Thank you guys for supporting as always. Thank you for that, man. It means a lot to me. Shabam, what's up? Oh, he's pumping CCIV. Dave Portney, cool. Well, he's not doing a good job because it's coming back down. But I'll be watching it. I'm not convinced yet, but I am watching it for a potential long. But right now, I'm not convinced. Not one bit. Thanks for sharing. No problem, Trey. Justin, good morning, Justin. Trenton. Okay, Trenton. That's all you do every time, brother. I'm going to mute you for a little bit. You just keep on promoting, dude. Eventually, I'll just have to ban you, brother. Let's see. Jermaine, Alex, what's up, good sir? What's up, my man? Christian, looks like nice descending triangle on LIXT. Is that what you see? Maybe on the small picture. Maybe. I personally don't like it, but you know, everyone sees things differently. LIXT, let's get that bounce, baby. Let me get back and concentrating. Come on, let's get a bounce. What's up with the bounces today? SPY dying? Bounces are just garbage. So I'm looking at this chart right now, LIXT. I'm just asking myself, where would I be wrong? And it's a little confusing for me because I mean, I could see it pop and squeeze. So I'm going to have wide risk because I'm not too sure, but I do like this as a short. I hope it pops. I really hope it pops. If it pops too much, I can stop. That's just how it is, but we'll see. Just fading. Is that a little sign of life? Damn. You know what? I don't even know if I want to cover that small piece right there anymore. I know it's support, but yeah, I'll just cover a small piece right there. I'm just saying that because my position size isn't what I want it to be. But I don't want that to affect my plan. No, it's a slow day for me. Christian. Irvine, alright, that was the meditation music from yesterday. Yeah, I love the meditation, man. I'm listening to it right now. It keeps me calm. Eric, look embarrassed today. No, it kind of is. Everlasting motivation. CCIV opening every morning, 10% plus and falling. Good observation. That's a good observation, man. You can use that to your advantage. If you recognize that, play that. Jordan, what's up, Jordan? Alex, how do you find the stocks you're going to trade every morning? I look at big percent gainers and big percent losers every morning. Let's see. We're gonna get a pop here. Maybe. Come on, give me a pop, please. Don't crack right now. Don't crack right now, please. Please. Oh my God. My man Scotty, old man Scott. He's a good friend of mine and really helped me a lot in my trading too. He's probably gonna be like, why didn't you go full size at that entry? And that's something I'm always working on, trying to get better at my sizing. But I just wasn't confident in the pre-market. I don't want to size in full. I should have done it around here, maybe more, maybe at least half, but maybe I'll get a pop. Who knows? Maybe I'll get a pop. It looks like I might get no pop. Damn. It's all right. If these are in play, they could always come back and give me a good entry. I just gotta wait. Rocket just failed all the way. No good entry for me there. Carnival. I don't like that. There's not much range on that one either. Huh. This is hitting radar. This just hit my big percent gainers. It's not a scan, it just shows big percent gainers on DAS. And right now, I don't see an opportunity personally. That'd be nice if we could squeeze. Well, looks like we're not coming up. That's for damn sure. XTNT. Oh, snap. Anyone see XTNT? Look at this motherfucker. Excuse my language. This thing is Every spike fails though. Excuse me. Yeah, I might have missed it. Let's see if there's any shares. Yeah, there's shares. Fairly cheap too, so I'll watch it. As of right now, that's personally I don't see a play yet. I don't like to chase, and I don't like to predict the top because it screws me every time. FI is just fading, it looks like. Hold up, hold up. Is this a pop? We will see. We will see if we're getting this pop or not. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. Michael Wynn for CDXC, were you hoping for a pop 21 to short? Yes, yes. Or at least this 20 area, but I don't know if I'm going to get that, so it sucks. Day trading options. Get it, GameStop, man. It will go up today. Oh my god. Yeah, right. Trust the meme power. Well, right now you're wrong, brother. But I don't like to put my trust in random things. I like to just look at the chart and let it tell me. Right now, I think it's bearish, but I don't see a good entry personally. And that could be me just being naive, right? Me not really knowing where to enter. But as of right now, let's look up GameStop. Alright. Like, I need to go use the restroom, but part of me thinks if I go, I'm going to miss my bounce. Freaking sucks. I don't know yet on GameStop, but I'll pay attention to it. Damn, I miscanned completely. This one's not bouncing. Same thing with this one. Alright, I'm gonna have to go use the restroom. Be right back. All right. Still no bounces. Potential bounce though. Potential bounce on CDXC. Let's see if we can get it. Gamestop, I just don't know yet. I might have missed a good entry, but waiting. Let me sit down for a bit. Okay. Ravi, just pee in a bottle. Yeah, I know, Dwight. I love The Office. The Office is my favorite, man. It's one of my favorite shows. Christian, yeah, I know, it's so funny. Anthony, rapid piss. Hell yeah, dude. Shit. I know you know what it's like. I'll be getting the questions though. I'm just waiting to see if I can get a bounce on anything so I can enter before I start zoning out, you know? Because if I zone out, I missed a good opportunity yesterday when I was live because I zoned out. So that's important to me. I can't stop shaking either. It's like I want to turn this heater on, but it's an interesting stock too. So I think CAN is out of the picture for now for me. I think AFI is going to be out of the picture for me as well. Yeah, AFI is out of the picture for me. JE is interesting. It's resistance at that 450 area. So we'll see about that, but that's a potential short, but not for me. But I do like that rejection, so it's nice. Just, you know, I'm picky. I am looking to see if there's any potential plays. Look at that AMC perfect pull if you got in. Damn. So I missed that. Man, that was not good. Took my eye off the easy plays. I should have kept watching them. Oh, LIXT, I just covered another small piece at my price target, one of my price targets. And, you know, we're still at 50%. What is this? I'm hoping we get a bounce. Still looking for a bounce. And if you caught GameStop, good job, people. Good job. I did not catch it. Carnival Cruise Lines, very interesting. I thought about longing this, but maybe I will my swing. Depends on what it does. I want to give it more time. I got mixed feelings about it. Mixed feelings about it, for sure. So I'm not getting a bounce. It's not happening. And all right, so take a brief moment, answer some questions. If you have questions, type them out because I may have not seen them. I probably won't have time to scroll all the way up, but yeah, let's see. Let's go. No, I'm not gonna change the music, Andy. It's for me, not for you, brother. Helps me. Suleiman, looking up to God never hurts. At least you're a martyr than the sharp note. Hey, look, I believe in God all the way. So, cousin, don't let us distract you from your game. We will learn from your training regardless of your commentary. Is GE a good multi-day breakout? Maybe. I don't know. I gotta go look at it. But 1 second. CDXC, I mean, this thing is not gonna bounce. Really? Come on. Let's bounce for us. JE. I see what you mean, but is it broken out? Look, dude, it's still under resistance, dude. It's not a breakout. Look at that. That's the breakout. Still watching CDXC, LIXT. I'm watching CCL, CCIV, JE. All of these plays. Thanks for putting it back on my radar, by the way. Ask about JE. Because I do like it. We'll see what happens. And looks like, I mean, if it could break above 450, really 465, then it's not a short. We got a little life. Come on, baby. Bounce pretty good for me. There goes that JE. It's going. If it can hold above this, then it's a breakout. But if it can't hold above that, it's not a breakout. So this is important. This is an important test. It's a very important test right here. If it can start to break above, I mean, next resistance is, I mean, we got resistance here though at 5. So you got a 50-cent pop, 525 too. And if you look at it on, we're holding above VWAP, which is good for longs for sure. Now it looks good. How it acts is important, so I'm watching it. Excuse me. CDXC is just, you know, holding up. I don't want to take my eye off of JE right now. Volume's coming back in, which is nice. I wouldn't chase a breakout, but I'd watch it. Nice. Nice, 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 dude. Let's put an alert on this sucker. Excuse me. So I'm gonna take a starter. Let's see. On CCL. LIXT, we got a baby bounce. Nothing serious. CDXC. Damn, this thing is just weak. Look at this thing. But it's not breaking down hard, so I think we'll have a squeeze because we have support right here. I'm hoping that we get a squeeze here. It would be really nice. I'm watching CCIV pretty closely too. Oh, let's go back to JE. JE's looking good. Good call. Good call. Resistance is at 5, so it's not too far away. That's the only thing I don't like. So it could easily start to squeeze up that way. Easily. And stop in the 520s. It's a nice channel though. You see that channel? It's beautiful. Beautiful channel. CCL, I'm probably going to be wrong, but yeah, I might be wrong on this one. That's okay. I'll take it. Let's go back to XT&T. What is this doing now? Stand up. Look at that nice pool. Very nice pool. Nice pool there. Might have missed that one. That's okay. I mean, it's not a... I don't like it too much, but it is an interesting setup for sure. But we do have support in the 80s. So the risk reward to me is not great because you got to assume that's going to hold. If you get in at 3, then it's not good risk reward, but it could definitely work. It could definitely work. We got somewhat of a pop here. I drink too much water, guys. Now I gotta go use the restroom again. It's ridiculous. So BRB. All right. So, looks like we just got to be patient. We just got to be patient. First off, thank you guys for all being here. Thanks for being patient. Because while I'm trading, I can't just answer questions right away, but I appreciate you guys being here because it helps me, well, I just appreciate it. But now I'm just still waiting. I'm still waiting for some good moves. In JE, we got a little pullback. XTNT held in support. Not surprising. Don't like that we're holding that, but if we hold it and we start to go, then okay. So if I get stopped out on Carnival, I'm actually going to go long. We'll see what happens. Because that would be interesting. CDXC. So it's basically a cover and long at the same time. Ooh, can't forget the big picture on CDXC. Let's go back to that. So this should stay my priority right now. Are we going to get a squeeze? Come on, are we going to get a squeeze? there we go. Let's get a nice squeeze there. Okay, looks like CCL is going, that's okay. I think on CCL, I'm about to do a swing trade on CCL, so keep in mind when I swing trade, I have a long-term picture on this one. And I'll explain that later, but right now, just put my order in. There. And I'll put an alert on it too. I like CCL now. CCL I like a lot. JE, man, what a good breakout apparently. Look at that, it just keeps going. Good job. I'm watching this one like a hawk right now. CCIV is interesting now, guys. I like it. CCL, we'll see what happens about this one. Went ahead and add some more shares. I like that rejection. Hopefully we can start to break 17 here. 17 is a key area right now. If we don't, then that's not going to be good for me. I have very tight risk on this right now, guys. So don't, you know, have very tight risk because it should be working. If it doesn't work right away, then I'm wrong. I would definitely be wrong. LIXT just keeps fading. The only good news is I got a piece of it still, so hopefully we can break 5, which would be nice. CDXC, I hope, you know, it'd be dope if we could start to break 17. If so, you know, 16 is the next pivot, so. We'll see if that happens, and then we got 15s. And we will see. I'm either going to be right or I'm going to be wrong. That's pretty much right, the only options. JE's hitting resistance, which is not surprising. That's where resistance is at. So I'm watching it. Might be coming back against me on CDXC. And CCIV looks like it's coming back. Good bounce. Very good bounce. I'm going to put alert on this one because this could be a nice swing. So I'm going to put an alert just in case. I'm liking that we're failing. I'm hoping we continue that and we break, but okay, LIXT, we're getting a bounce. It's pretty much 11 now. So I'm going to be little sketch. If we can get a good bounce, I'll look to get in, but I don't think we're going to get that. CDXC is probably going to stop me out, which would suck. Because we tried to break, but we didn't really break hard, so probably going to be wrong on that one. We'll see. We'll see. Let's look at GME. JE's just going, just riding. It's not going to be my day, apparently. And that's okay. As long as we stick to the plan. You know, I might get faked out here, but on CDXC, but I'm not going to hold it above this 1840. I'm not holding it. It's just not for me. I'm wondering if we're going to get a bounce here on LIXT, but I'm not sure. I mean, we haven't got a bounce yet. If you look on this 10-minute, no bounce. 5-minute, I mean, I would even consider that's like a baby bounce. So I really hope we get a good bounce. This one I'm still liking. And we'll see. We'll see. CCCL could be a bad long, but I long this one. And I think I'm done for the day. I don't really see anything else. I'm still watching JE because we topped out resistance at 5. And then we got support right here, so it's interesting. I'm watching it closely. But it is what it is. The good news is, let's see. I think I can answer questions now. LIXT. Let me browse real quick. SRTS. Ruby. Oh, wow. There's resistance here. Resistance here. Nice little uptrend here. We'll see. Ruby's still going, which is nice. Let's put that on here. T-Vax. LIXT is fading more. You could have shorted up here, but I personally, look, I mean, it is resistance, but not for me. It's like I'm missing good ads, but it's just slow market today. Really slow market today, guys. For me, at least. All right, so Nicholas, just trade the range on CDXC. You do that, brother. I trade what I like, how I like to trade. You know what I'm saying? Mickey, have you ever tried dip buying stocks like XT&T after it makes a higher low? Yeah, I have tried that. Damn, SRTS really died. RKT, JE may be breaking trend. Maybe, bro. Maybe, bro. RKT is just not looking good. Yeah, Christian, it's just a slow day, dude. Just a slow freaking day. Maybe Jimmy will pop and get things going again. Rocket, I can go ahead and watch. XT&T. Yeah, it's not bad for those who got in, but just not for me. See, the problem with slow markets is you can easily get too loose and make some money trading not so great setups. Like I just got stopped out of CDXC. And when that happens, it is what it is. At the end of the day, it's how you manage it is what matters. So I'm still watching CDXC. Don't get me wrong. I'm just not feeling too good about it at all. But I am watching it very closely. I'm also watching JE very closely. There goes the squeeze I just protected myself from on CDXC. Because we have support.
Last equals 19.
So that's awesome. LIXT coming down some more for me. Okay. At least this one's working. CDXC bouncing. Is this finally the bounce I've been waiting for? At this point, I don't want it. The only way I would want... Yeah, I'm done with CDXC. I'm done with it. It's not acting the way I want it to, so I'm done with it for now. The only thing, I mean, at the same time, CDXC big picture is beautiful. So that's the only thing I like. So I can't just stop looking at it, but it's got to do something really nice for me to even be considerate. CCIV, I'm watching this still. I'm not interested yet, but I'm watching it. Gamestop. JE, watching this very closely right now. Ruby still going up, which is nice. Nice for Ruby for sure. CCL going up, so that's nice. Cost coming down. So I only got CDXCs on my radar, sure. LIXT I'm still in. I'm still in CCL, and I think I'm done. And we're about to answer some questions. Players, we're about to answer some questions. Look at this monster, dude. What a great monster. I need to put this on in one of these charts. Let's put LIXT here so that way I'm not distracted. Let's put Ruby, let's put JE here because I am interested in JE right now. Let's put Ruby here. Alright, I'm going to go take a bathroom break and then I'll answer any questions you have. Save those and then let's get started. All right, everybody. So, let's get down to some business. Good to see you, Aniko. Pete, dude, I am. Have you been watching, dude? I've been watching it. Christian, looks like I'm about to get stopped out at LIXT, but like you said, either way, I executed well, so I can't be mad. Just blessed to be able to trade. Amen to that. I am shorted, so sorry, brother. But I'm glad you stuck to your own plan. I'm glad you traded what you saw, and that's what's important. Jacqueline, hey B, what's up? You not look into SRTS? Yeah, I didn't look into that at all. Let's see if that's a mistake. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really like it. That could be a mistake, but it's also not up. The range just isn't good enough for me, personally. But I'm liking JE here, guys. I am. We hit resistance. This is an old shortened to daily resistance. This is daily resistance right here. Let's make it purple. Daily resistance. You see on the daily, right? So I'm paying attention to this very closely. And we'll see what it does. Ruby's looking freaking awesome. If you're long that, good job. Good freaking work. Ravi, have you up on the TV and my pops is watching, learning too? Was wondering what software do you use to scan for stocks if you use any. I use DAS. It just comes with the free scanner. It just tells you what's the highest percent gainer is on the day and on NASDAQ and New York Stock Exchange. And I do check out this free website. It's called the Stock Market Watch. I'll send it to you guys all in the chat. And I just look at pre-market, click on pre-market, and I watch the biggest percent losers and gainers because there might be different. And then I make a plan based off of that. Hopefully that helps you, man. CCCL is looking nice. Jay, have you thought about doing monthly recaps? Nah, I just never thought about doing that. I just started doing these live trades, yeah, you know? And this right here is already nerve-wracking. Like, you try trading in front of a whole crowd. And actually, I take that back, Jay. I do that on my show, Be the Trader. When I have the solo episodes, I give you an idea of where I've been, how I've been doing, how the month has been, and so forth. Ravi, yes, it does it a lot. It does a lot. Thank you. Yeah, no worries. I'm hoping that we get a CCCL push, which would be really nice, right? CDXC is just so choppy. I'm watching this very closely right now. I'm going to sell a small piece of my CCCL. Say that 10 times fast. If I can get executed, we'll see. Probably not, just because I said that. It's funny, as soon as I say that, freaking, it drops. I won't sell it. Let's see. I'm watching JE right now, everyone, just because it's a priority. And I'm pretty much almost done with trading completely. I don't like to trade in the afternoon. What's going on, JE? What is going on? This is a potential really good long section too, so it's very conflicting for me, so I'm just watching it. Robert, ever since your volume prediction video, I've just been going ham with the spreadsheets. Cool, man. Alright, so I'm taking a starter on JE. And now we'll see what happens. It could easily bounce here. It is a long, it is a breakout. I see that. But it's also still holding below resistance. So and see, Jordan, how do you tag me? Jay, yeah, maybe just play the range. I think you do at sign. Robert, are you talking about the interview I did with Steven Dux, or are you talking about did I do a solo one on the volume? I can't remember. There we go, a little push. Little push here, come on. On CCCL, just sold a small piece. Dope. Dope, dope, dope. Just to let you guys know, on CCL, I just sold a small piece. Right here is where I covered this short and went long, full size, and just sold a small piece. And now I'm looking for a high day break and continuation. CCIV is looking, it's looking okay. I'm gonna keep it on radar. JE is looking okay. I don't mind it right now. CCL is going higher, which is great. Great to see. CDXC. Let's see. I don't know about this one, to be honest. I really don't. Frustrates me, but I just don't know. It's not an easy play for me. It's choppy. It's so choppy. It could easily just tank. And if you're a part of that, good for you. I just can't. I just cannot. Let's see if we can get a pop to high day here. Come on, baby. I'll sell another piece at high day. And then I'll hold. And this is my day trading account. My swing account, I'm swinging this as well. So, but I'm looking for this to go to 27 for my day trading. Christian, will not out of LXIT yet. We are popping a little. Oh, are we really? Oh, we are popping, son. That's awesome. Good for you. I'm still in it. I may be covering here just because I'm just like, why am I still in it? JE. Let's go look at that before I get distracted. I'm going in full size on JE because I like it. And at this point, I know it's the major breakout there, so hopefully we can break that. And if we can, that would be phenomenal. And we can start coming down to 430s, 420s. Let's do first cover there. Just in case we get a quick flush through. Because we may just hold the 450 is completely possible. Completely possible. Because it is the breakout. This is daring play. But I do like this play a lot. If you have questions, guys, feel free to ask them. Happy to do reviews on charts that you're watching. Happy to go over any charts. I am in a couple of plays. If you're wondering, I'm in JE short. It's a little risky. Breakout's 450. I'm long CCL. And I am paying attention to Ruby right now. I like this setup, and I'm watching it very closely right now. Potential short for me. Not happy with that JE recover at 450. It is a breakout, so that would suck. So you know what I like though is we broke trend. We tried to pop above it, held it, and we could easily pop above again, so I'm keeping that in mind. I may be stopped above 5 at this point. But on the big picture, we have resistance all right here, so I like that. I don't know, man. I don't like to predict, Ravi, if I think, stocks are going to rise or fall. But what I do is I do think it's possible. I mean, they have spiked before. They've easily spiked before. Wait, you shorted JE? I sure did, Jordan. I sure did. I could easily be wrong, so I just like the setup. You can see my entries right here, guys. Look at the triangles. The red triangles are my entries. Ooh, look, I could easily be wrong though, so I'm watching this like a hawk right now. Price action is important to me. For this kind of play, it's counter trend right now because it is a breakout, so I'm paying attention very close. I don't have all the confidence in the world, but I am paying attention very closely. How it reacts over here is important. I can see it pop over it though. I can easily see that. Incoming on GME. Ooh, maybe. Maybe. If it takes out lower day, it's going. It's definitely going. It's definitely going to go. If it breaks down lower day, we're going to go down. Sorry guys, I'm watching multiple plays. I'm long CCL. I'm watching JE like a hawk right now. JE is interesting. This could be a break-even day, probably, or a small red day if these don't work. Let's see. It's not great that it's popping up and over, but I do like that we got wicks. That's what's good. There we go. It's not a good sign for me. Not a good sign. JE could be yesterday's CDXC. Maybe, maybe. It looks like I'm gonna get stopped out here, gentlemen and ladies, if there is any. Hopefully CCL continues higher. We're getting close to high day. JE is probably going to stop me out. It's recovering pretty nicely. You can see, can you guys, I have a quick question, guys. On the JE chart, can you see the two orders sitting there? The order at 5 and the order at 4:30? Say yes if you can see the orders. Good. If you can see the orders, then the answer to your question, brother, is the orders themselves. Those are my stops and my profit targets. So that's what the answer to your question. Because someone just asked me, where's my order? Who was that? I don't know who asked me that, but if you ask me a question about where my orders are, they're on the screen there. Where I'm trying to get out, where my stop is. So I'm short, so my stop is 501. Hard stop. I don't care about that. And my profit target's 430 for at least one piece, but right now I think I'm gonna be wrong, guys. It's for sure it feels that way. My entry looks so bad too. I hate that entry. Oh, got some rusty. Can we get a nice pullback back to 460s so we can see what happens? Yeah, Lee. Very stressful. Oh shit! I just oh, are you kidding me? Hopefully I can get in here. I'm trying to get short RUBY. Too busy paying attention to another stock. It's my fault. I'm going to pull that up real quick. I got some in. And we'll see if I can get the rest here. If I can, then I'd basically be getting stopped out above high a day at this point. Profit targets 966. And then probably like oh, right now I'm not liking JE, but I need a nice pullback so I can kind of determine if I should adjust. But right now, I am not looking good. About to sell another piece on CCL. If we can get that high day test, I got an order sitting there. JE finally getting a little pullback here, which is nice. On JE at this point, I'm adjusting it because I am not liking this. It's not working the way I want it to work. And so, yeah, I'll be getting out pretty soon because I'm going to be wrong. I got very tight risk on this, and at this point, if it breaks above, I'll be getting out all of my position. I'm not going to add any more to it just because I am not feeling good, and so we'll see. But if we start to fade here below 460s, which happens to be VWAP, that's a good sign. It's a good sign. Still haven't sold my piece on CCL yet. Still waiting for that execution. Christian, not sure if I missed it, but did you see the question I had about your sizing? Yeah, go ahead and do it again, Christian. Go ahead and do it again. I'll look out for it. By the way, everyone, if you're wondering, you know, Christian's name stands out because it's highlighted to me and it has a little B next to it. It's the brand, Be the Trader. Be the Trader. And he's basically, you know, pledged to support the show. A small donation. That really helps me out, helps me grow the show, and I appreciate it. So it stands out to me. Christian, go ahead and type it in, my man, if you do hear me. Oh, I'm about to get stopped out. It's just not my day, guys. It's probably too tight, some people are thinking, but hey, if you're not right, you're not right. Can, what's going on here, Can? When it comes to your sizing, do you do the math in your head or do you use a general idea? No, I use a calculator. If you hear me typing, sometimes I'm just typing on my calculator. God, this is a rough day. Yep, I'm done on JE. I'm not going to mess with that right now. I'll wait for it for a little bit. Might have got faking out there easily. Let's see. If I feel like I got faked out, I will get back in. So I'm watching it. So far, it doesn't look like that. It looks like it's about to go. Wow, look at XT&T. Christian, gotcha. I have a spreadsheet. I feel like I'm just slow. Yeah, I just type it out real quick and I kind of round it too. Nice. My long is doing really well in CCL right now. There we go. CCL just sold another piece. CCL might make my day, so that could be the case. I see. I know it's probably a vague question, but what percentage of your account size loss do you usually use per trade? I just pick a dollar amount and increase it every month and just focus on that. I don't really worry about the percent per trade. Whatever I'm comfortable with losing is what I stick with. Chris, I guess I'd be a perfectionist. Also don't know if you're still in LXT trending a little. I'm watching it. I'm still in it. I'm still short. I am still short. And I'm in a good position though. I mean, I'm short from way over here, you know. So I'm doing okay right now. Appreciate you pointing it out. I think if it breaks above 6, I'll be done. But I'm in at 7, so it's good. I'm still watching this sucker too. Holy crap. Now we're going new highs on CCL, watching that very closely. I would like for it to really break above 2650. You see here, I've already sold another piece. I'm only half size now. And hoping this can squeeze to 27. That would be nice. JE, I was wrong. Can. Look at Can just coming all the way. Like I'm done on that. JE, I'm pretty much done. Zo. And we got CCL working pretty nicely here. Shavam, FSR ripping now. PLTR VWAP. Cool, cool, cool. I'm just going to pay attention to mine right now. But if you'd like me to review a chart for you, just say, hey, could you review this for me, blah, blah, blah. I don't mind doing that. My stop is LIXT is 6. Might be wrong on Ruby as well. That's okay. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but and then JE still looking kind of iffy though, right? Still looking kind of iffy. I'm watching it. I haven't gave up on it yet. I went ahead and took a position again. It's my last shot on this one. Tight stop, full size, and we will see. Can easily be wrong. Hamza, thanks for the donation, man. Appreciate it a lot, brother. It means a lot to me. I can go get some coffee today, some Starbucks. No, I'm just kidding. It means a lot to me, man. Thanks so much for the donation. If you're new to the show, first off, welcome. I do a lot of interviews on Be the Trader. This is just a new experiment where I'm doing live trading. But I do a lot of interviews with multiple traders who are way better than me. And I've been trading for decades. Swing, trading, long, short, bias. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss those interviews. And I also do other pieces of content all around trading. We release Monday and Wednesday. Every Monday and Wednesday. And do me a solid. Subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified when we do another live. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much. What I will say is if you want to go above and beyond, hit that join button and pledge a small donation. It just helps the show, help us grow. So thank you guys. Let's see. TY Guy. Got a little chopped in AM. Didn't want to get stuck short and hot earlier. Yeah, LIXT, guys. It looks like we're bouncing at, what is that? All-time highs. Blue skies, guys. Could easily bounce here. So if you're longing, it's not a bad long situation here. Look at this. Not a bad long at all. Not a bad long at all. So if you're long, not bad. If you're long now, it's bad. Like, you don't want to long now. But, I mean, if you were long before, cool. Because now it's like a chase. Oh, you're not even looking at my screen. My bad. Look at that. All-time highs, blue skies. Boom. Weekly chart, all-time highs. Not a bad long for you guys. Not a bad long. And JE, you know, I'm hoping we'll get it. Robert, one factor working for me on spreadsheets in the morning, once I know the highest point in the pre-market, I just covered LIXT, cool. Let me make sure everything else is good because things are moving right now. Okay, I think I'm good. Yeah. Okay. So Robert, spreadsheets in the morning. Once I know the highest point in the pre-market, I then take the lowest point after that in the pre and divide it by the previous day close price. Okay. The more negative that is, the better for longs, the more positive. Cool, man. It's good that you've been tracking something and you feel confident in that. That's what's important. As long as it's good for you, keep it up. LIXT through sixes. Yep. Morning. Hope you guys did well. Hope you did well, Risky. I'm just so. Still undetermined. I could be break, even, small. Either way, I feel like I'm executing well. I'm happy with that. One of the trades, not so much. Like the first short on JE, more of a chase. This short, I like a little more. It doesn't look like a chase. I still could be wrong, though. Easily could be wrong. And let's see. I'll take a small, I don't know about covering right there. Because, I mean, if we're going to work, we're going to work, right? So, let's see what happens here. We get a little test. This VWAP test is very important right now. Actually, I will cover a small piece. If I can get it, because it's... Nope. May regret that one. Lots of dip buyers at VWAP, and I guess there should be. It's a major breakout. We got a little follow through on JE. Oh, I'm sorry. LIXT is what I meant to say. Namir Felix, is there a way to donate without becoming a member? Absolutely, brother. There's a little $sign on the chat. It's called super chat. You can select whatever donation you want to do, and your name will pop up and say you donated, just like Hamza did. And your question, if you have a question, you can put it in there, and I can see the question very clearly. I plan to do something really cool with that too, where it pops up on the screen here on the stream so everyone can see it. I'm still working on that, so we'll see how that goes. It's funny. I may regret moving my cover down, but it is what it is. CCL still long. Yeah, it's a double top. Don't like that. That's for damn sure. But for now, I'm okay. And on CCL, my stop is 25.70. I think that's about right. Yeah, I'm good with that. We got JE. Not sure if this can just bounce and then stop me out again. Would definitely suck. And then we got Ruby, which is close to stopping me out as well. And we got CCL, the only one that's really working, but now not. So, yeah. So we'll see about that. That's more like it. JE, we'll see. I could easily, the odds are I may be wrong, but I like the setup. I like the setup, and I'm not going to ignore it. And I'm going to take the trade. So, same thing with Ruby. It just might not be my day, really. Ruby, I really like. Ruby, what we have here is a downtrending on the big picture, intersecting here with resistance, and then we broke trend. Like, there's a lot of things lining up here, so I'm not just shorting for any reason, but I could easily be wrong here. And the more time goes on, high 1067, the more chances are that I'm wrong. So my risk is getting tighter and tighter as time goes on, guys. I don't think it should break above at least this pivot right now, this 1062, or really this 1068. Otherwise, I'm wrong. And yeah, broke down like crazy. Oh, I believe GME broke down like crazy. Oh, not really, dude. Not at all. 112 to 100, that's nothing. But I am interested. This isn't crazy. Crazy is like this. That's crazy. For GME at least. Nice. Nice job, nice job. Let's go ahead and delete all this. It's all pointless. And this is, I'm pretty much done for the, I am done for the day. I'm just keeping my positions and waiting for them to either work or stop me out. So if you guys have any questions, you'd like me to go over any charts, let me know right now. We'll be happy to do that. Be happy to do it. First off, everyone who's here, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching the show. It means a lot to me. Christian, wow, what a great donation, dude. Thank you so much. I got to head out, Alex, but I really appreciate you doing these lives. I feel like the last 3 days has been more beneficial for me than any course. Thanks, man. You know what? That means so much to me, brother. Thank you for donating. Thank you for giving back. It means a lot to me. It helps inspire me to keep on going, and I appreciate it very much. Ruby looking good, huh, people? Okay. Christian, have a wonderful day, brother. Enjoy your day. Some people are saying Ruby's looking good. We'll see. I hope you guys are right, because if you're right, hey, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. But, you know, one thing, guys, that I'm hoping you're seeing, like, even today I've been, like, iffy. You know, it's not been a great day. But do you realize how I'm just focused on execution, trading, and not worried about what's happening at the end? Because I know a lot of you guys probably go through the same thing, but instead you start beating yourself up. And don't get me wrong, I don't like being wrong at all, like anyone does. But, you know, we're going to be wrong when you're trading. It's just part of it. It's part of it. You know, it's part of the game. We'll see if we get that 10 break. That'll be really nice. Like, really nice. Hey, man, what's going on?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Sorry about that. My realtor. All right. Evan, you can go over one of your trades you made today and analyze it. Yeah, I mean, let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and do Ruby. Oh, sweet. Finally. So Ruby, big picture. On the daily chart, this thing is crap. It just died out. We have resistance here, which was support, and here. So I saw that, looked at the 4 hour, saw that, drew my lines on the 4 hour actually. Then came in and saw there was a downtrend interlining with this resistance. So I was interested in potential short. After I saw that, actually, can you guys see my screen? Yeah. After I saw that, I then said, okay, well, we just broke this downtrend. I thought we were going to tank, but we didn't, so we bounced. Luckily, I stayed in. I could easily be wrong, but that's why I took the short, and we'll see what happens. That's one of the trades, Ruby. Does that help out, Evan? Hopefully that helps you, my man. You know, guys, what's interesting is JE is interesting. I mean, we're holding above VWAP, but barely. But we are holding above VWAP. You know, I'm not feeling good about this setup right now. But I'm sticking to my plan. And we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can at least get some of my position executed at VWAP. And then I can be a little bit more comfortable. But we'll see. Nicholas, you're going to add. Okay, cool, bro. Hopefully things work out, man. CCL bouncing some more. Hopefully we can break high day now. At this point on Ruby, if we break above this pivot here, I'll be getting out just because I don't like that price action. So over time, my risk gets tighter and tighter, and that's just how I like to trade. Man, I may just come all the way back, huh? Come all the way back, aren't you? Let's see, CCL is the only one I like watching right now. Plug. Looking nice, man. Looking nice. I'm done executing trades right now, so hopefully you can nail it, man. Hopefully you can nail it. Definitely resistance at 50. Yeah, I can review AUVI, brother. AUVI. On the monthly, not too shabby. Hold up, is that today? Damn. All-time highs, blue skies, blue skies. It's under blue skies right now. Wait a minute. So weekly. Sorry, that was the monthly. So all-time highs is over here. It has ran before. Now we're coming down. Coming to some volume. Wonder if there's news on this. No news really. And I mean, something that spiked before, it could definitely spike again. There's no real resistance till 16. Nice, man. Hopefully you got in. This is a nice little, I missed this one. It's a nice little trade right here. Nice, man. Good eye, good eye, good eye. I wouldn't touch it, but good eye, man, good eye. How come you switch trading patterns to price action? It just fits me. I just started to figure out what really works for me, and this is what works for me. You kind of discover yourself over time, and you start to see what works better. LIXT coming back down, a little fading a little bit. Careful, guys. Nick, you don't like using moving averages? JE might have a hard time. Yeah, I don't care about moving averages. In fact, I might even finish reading that because I don't like to be influenced. But thanks, brother. I appreciate you if you are trying to look out for me. I appreciate that, bro. But as a trader, you should always be focused on your own plan. And once you enter a trade, ignore everyone else until you're done with the trade. JE, let's see if I get a piece covered. One piece covered. Yay. Feeling a little bit better. Feeling a little bit better. Not bad, not bad. Still not looking amazing until we start to really break under because we're holding it. And 450s is breakout, so you know it's not looking peachy. You know, maybe I'll probably have to cover another small piece here because that's like. There's definitely support here, so I can't ignore that. And then if we start to break, I don't see maybe 420s, 410s. But hey, these wicks are not looking good for me. Not at all. Yeah, 425 would be my last cover. So that's the plan on that one. And oh, Ruby's working a little bit. Let's see if I get a cover here. Look at that. Almost got me. Are you kidding me? Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go, Ruby. Come on, Ruby. Help me out. I'm going to cover right here because it is VWAP. Actually, I'm going to keep my plan. Just move it up a couple pennies. And because it hit at 970. It dropped to 970 but did not get executed. Don't you hate that? Look at this. It dropped right down to 970. No execution. So I just moved it up a couple pennies just in case. But look at CCL. We're working. We're working. We're working. Okay. Breaking high day. I like it. I'm still long. Hopefully we can go higher. Where's CCL? You know, I want to be alerted when we get closer. So let's watch it. Alert around here. But I'll start selling around 2680 because there's major resistance here. Look at that resistance. So actually, let me put in a CCL. I'll just put an order there because I'm not even going to play with it. And JE, kind of working. Not really. We're waiting for it. Hopefully we can get that flush. I'm hoping everyone who bought the breakout is like banking on that. And if we break that, everyone's going to start selling. That's what I'm hoping for. But it's a big hope. So. Come on. Get me executed, you crapper. Yeah, I'm impatient. I just covered a small piece. You know, it is what it is. And now I'm going to cover the rest. We'll see if I can get that. JE, let's see if we can get that. I have to use the restroom, so I'm going to just make sure I have all my stops in. Yep, I'll be right back, everyone, and then I'll get back to questions. And happy to answer any questions for sure. All right, so just FYI, guys, thanks for being here. Thanks for supporting the show. Just by being here, it means a lot to me. If you can do me a solid and hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed, and hit the bell so you're notified. I've been doing this a lot more often, and I think I'm going to continue to do it because I actually enjoy it. And it is nerve-wracking, right? Trading in front of people, that's nerve-wracking for sure. But maybe it'll make me better. We'll see. But what I will say is thank you for being here. If you're already a subscriber, please share the show with some other friends. Help me grow. I really appreciate that. A couple of ways you can help me is either subscribe, share the show, hit that join button, and pledge a small donation to the show. Really appreciate that. Or you got Super Chat, which is a function here. If I missed your question, I'm not going to keep scrolling up just because there's a lot of questions. If you activate Super Chat and you could do a 50-cent donation, 10 cent, whatever you want. That's up to you. But if you do that, your question pops up on my screen. It's green and it's basically highlighted, and it helps me get to you right away. So just FYI if you're new to this, but thank you guys for being here, and let's get going. Jacob, I like hearing your thoughts. Thanks for doing this. Absolutely, man. Trying to do my best. CCL still going up. Okay, CCL. Let's see what you got. CCL right now we're trending nicely, guys. Nicely. It's not the best trend actually, but we are trending. I have a sell order at 26.80 or 70, so we see if we get executed here. I'm in at 25.80, so it'll be $2, or what would that be, $1 a share? There's major resistance here at 27. I don't expect it to break that, so I'm just going to sell it. That's just my plan. I got in here if you want to see. What's up, Risky Biscuits, son? Thank you for the donation. Appreciate it, my man. It means a lot to me. It just means a lot, brother. And thank you. Thanks a lot, man. If you have any questions, man, always ask. Thanks for the interviews, brother. Always enjoy. Man. Pleasure doing them, man. Pleasure doing them. We got Ruby's starting to fade a little bit. Risky Biscuits. I think I've been a little Risky Biscuits today, my man. We got CCL working. I'm probably going to get executed here. You know what? I'm not going to lie. I'm just going to take my profits just because I kind of want to be done for the day. So I'm done with that. And pretty much $1 share on that one. And I'm good with that. So and I'm going to review. If you want me to review CCL and show you what I saw, let me know by commenting just CCL. Just say CCL and I'll review it in full detail. Because I actually was short and long, and I'll explain that. JE, let's go CCL. Let's go ahead and turn off this alert so I don't get upset whenever it goes to my price target. JE, we're starting to still look weak. Volume's faded, which sucks for me. So hopefully we start to fade. If not, then it's not going to be good. Risky Bisky. Ruby, come on, Ruby. Come on down. I don't know if you guys know this, but I got a little something. All right, CCL. Looks like some of you guys want me to review it. I will review it. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. So, first off, big picture, guys. I'm looking at it, right? It's a breakout on the daily, and it's a significant breakout, okay? To me, it's significant because we have a ton of volume here, right? These are big volume days. And then I already had this trend line because I also have been looking at it for a swing, which I did swing it. Now, whenever we broke above this key area, that's a key area to me. So when I drew my trend on the 4 hour, because I'm looking at a swing, it's a strong trend line. You can see it lines up perfectly here. And now I did short it, okay? I did short it because I thought it was going to break down. And that's what I get for trying to predict, right? I shorted it before it broke, and that's my fault. So I took a short, and let me show you the. I took a short on the first red. You see the first triangle there, and ended up getting stopped out on that green triangle. But that green triangle was the cover and long. So it was a bigger position, okay? Bigger than short. So I got long. And then I sold on the way up. I also long at that same area on my swing account. Because big picture, I like this setup a lot. I mean, it's coming back. We have resistance at 30 for sure. But on my swing account, I love the strong trend on the daily and the 4 hour. So I'm swinging it and I'm holding it. Because I think it could. You know, it may be choppy to get there, but I think we can break high at day 28 and we'll see. So hopefully that helps you guys. Let me know by saying thank you for CCL review, just so I know which one that you appreciate that and it was helpful. JE is not really working for me, players. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not really working. Ruby makes sense. 950's holding, right? Definitely makes sense. So definitely makes sense. Yeah, Jordan, I'm ready to go to the gym for sure. But I might not go today, to be honest. I don't like JE right now. It's not working in my favor as fast, but it's not working. So, sticking to my plan. Could get stopped out. That's just part of trading. Ruby, I'm hoping we get continuation, follow through. 950 is support. But so is this. So I'm hoping we can crack it and go to this support and I can cover my position. What's up? What's up? Oh, man. Guys, I hope Ruby comes down. I really do. And so, same with JE. Obviously, I'm short, so be careful, everyone. LIXT. Remember, I was short. We are holding this trend here. But, let's see. I mean, still, it's not looking good for longs. I wouldn't be long, but I can see why you would long. United Airlines. I'm swinging this, by the way. I've been swinging it since this area right here. 44s. And sold most of my position at a quarter or third, and then a third up here, and then holding for a longer term recovery. Very similar to CCL, right? Very similar. So very similar. I like swinging, man, because swinging is more relaxed. Like you can swing an hour. The loyal brand, yo, John. Hey, it's John, right? It's John, right? Loyal brand. Welcome, dude. Hey, I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that very much, man. Thanks, brother. It means a lot to me that you're here and that you donated. Thank you so much, bro. So much. You're freaking awesome, dude. You're too much, dude. That's too much. But I appreciate it, dude. That was too much. But thank you. So, and you don't have a question? You better ask a question, player. Keep up the top-notch, non-biased interviews. Thank you, man. I will do my best. I will do my best. Ruby, 950 test, people. I'm going to see what it does real quick, guys. I'm going to see what it does. Because I may cover here at 950s. Or I may cover at 930s. I'm going to kind of watch this right now. Because I have a feeling it could pull back pretty hard. They wanted to send you shirts already done. Should get them soon. Ah, cool, Loyal. Thanks, man. Appreciate that, brother. What kind of shirts? Any idea? Anyway, I appreciate the love, man. I appreciate it very much, dude. You're the best. You, sir. All right. So, I don't know. I have this weird feeling that we're going to get a flush. We still got a lot of sales going on. JE's coming down, guys, into the 50s, which is key, which is definitely key. I'm all out, Ruby. I'm just down with Ruby. JE, let's see. JE, let's see. My last play of the day. Last play of the day, JE. What's going to happen here? It does look weak now, Nick. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, snap. Did you say Ruby cracked big? Oh, Ruby did not crack big, playa. Gotta be careful with those words, man. That's not a big crack. Trader Joe, no worries, man. I appreciate you being here too, brother. Appreciate it. Jacob, I feel like JE is close to flushing. So do I. So do I. And I'm hoping it does. I'm hoping it does. If it does, JE is the difference for me today between, you know, we'll see how the day ends. We'll see how the day ends. Could be a bait. It could be a little bait, an okay green day, or it could be a nice return. So, God willing, things will work out. God willing, things won't at the end of the day. I'm just thankful to be here in front of you guys, be here to help you, be here to change the trading community for the better. And that's my message, guys. Like, hopefully you get it. My message is to do what I can to give back and change the trading community for the better, and stop trying to I want people to do more, give back more, go above and beyond. So when you find your success, remember this and do something about it and give back and help others. That's the goal. Did you see that 450 quick little touch, but nothing? Yeah, that's called a tease. That's great. Love it. Love it. That's amazing. Come on, you're just going to tease me? Like literally, JE's just a pain in my butt. Sometimes it's nice to have a slow mover like JE to end the day. No, Jacob, it's never nice. I'm trying to go to the gym. Actually, am I going to go to the gym? I don't know. I may not go to the gym. I may spend the day here with you guys and answer questions. Maybe have some lunch with y'all. You guys let me know. Gym, lunch, and talk trading. I don't care. My back hurts today. I do have the cleaning lady. Well, my wife has the cleaning ladies coming by today to clean the house. So when that happens, I will have to get off for a little bit because they're going to clean the office. Be here to be the trader player. Cool. Trader Joe. Pray, love. I don't know what that means, but thanks, brother. Lee. Hey, good day, player. I am very curious what my old man Scotty O is up to. He's a good friend of mine. He's beating my ass in chess right now, too. Oh, that's a nice cover. I'll take that. Hopefully we get a flush here, and I'll be done with the trade. Scotty, yo, hopefully you answer me on my freaking message, son. It's good when you are working your day job from home. It is good. Yeah. Let's go. Alpine. What's up, Alex? How'd your day go? It's going good, bro. God is good. Things are going well. It looks like the day is gonna end well, and I'm happy about that. I'm really excited about that. And what's crazy, guys, the ones who've been here since the beginning of this live stream, isn't it wild? Like, do you not see? Let's review some things real quick, guys. Let's review some things real quick. I traded LIXT. Wasn't able to get full size. Got a third size. Sucked. And ended up working. Small gains, you know. But, hey, had no opportunity to add. That's just what it is for me. Good lessons there. Maybe I should have went in bigger, but I didn't want to. Then we got RUBY. Shorted. Looked kind of iffy. Kind of like, yeah, you know, the short was okay. I liked the reason, but when it bounced, like you can clearly see I probably should have saved a bullet for the bounce. But I'm glad with the covers. I'm glad with that. A quick 50-cent gain. I'm okay with that. JE. This is interesting. I shorted this. Remember, guys, it's a breakout. But there was a lot of things lined up. It didn't work. I took a loss. And then I got back in when we got confirmation. I just felt like it was like too weak. And then I started to cover. And I was nerve-wracking. You guys were here. So I did take a loss there. CDXC. Completely was wrong on my, I think. Interesting. Yeah, CDXC. Well, overall it was right, but took a small loss. I shorted a small size, covered, shorted big here because I was thinking we're breaking this 17 area. It's up, overextended by a freak ton, and it was a descending triangle. But look what you know. I was wrong. Got out, small loss, and actually it was a small loss because I sized in wide dollar risk. But I stopped out because I didn't like this price action. I mean, if we're going to break, we should break. And we're still holding, so. And then CCL. This one I'm proud. I'm like super excited for. Scott, if you're watching, you need to basically, look what I did here, Scott. I shorted this stock because I was trying to predict, okay? Predicting is the wrong thing to do. I was trying to predict a trend break. I'm sure you guys can all see it. Trying to predict a trend break, and that's not even the trend. Let me go back to, let's go up here. CCL. I was trying to predict this trend break, never broke. That's what I get. Took a loss. Luckily, I knew I was predicting, so I sized in small, third size. But then when we bounced, I went long, full size, and sold on the way up, which helped me a lot, and also long on my swing account. So that one is my long of the day, which I'm happy with. And then the last trade of the day, which I'm still in, is JE. So, in JE, you know, we'll see how it ends up. But at the end of the day, what I'm hoping you guys see, V traders, that's Scotty, yo, young man. What I would say is that you just never know the outcome. And I know Scott, aka V-Trades, can vouch for that. Like, you never know the outcome. And I think on Tuesday, I don't remember what day it was, but Monday was okay. Tuesday, I think I hit a max loss. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I've been good. And so it's like Tuesday, the reason I hit my max loss is because I don't know if it was Tuesday or Wednesday. It was the day I didn't live stream. And it seemed to me that it was because I was watching my P&L the entire time. And it was because I was judging myself of being right and wrong. But when I started focusing on, I talked to Scott and I was like, look, man, this is why this happened. Because it's been like, I think we talked a month ago or actually a couple of days ago before that. And I said, man, it's been a long time since I hit that. I can't even remember the last time I hit a max loss. But it's because as long as you focus on execution, you never know the outcome. I never know the outcome. I was nervous. You've seen these trades. Could have been a red day. $425. Are we gonna get this flush at $425? I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna get that. We'll see. We'll see, Scotty-O. We will see, Scotty-O. And you're beating my ass in chess, Scott. Ravi, thank you for that call on GME, breaking low of day. Ended up shorting at 111, covered at 100. Good for you, man. That's sick, dude. Good for you. That's a sick trade. I just didn't want to touch it. Good for you. You're a better man than me, my man. I'm still in JE. What did Ruby continue to crack? It sure did. It's okay. That's just part of the game. Lee Clo, can you check out XT&T for me? I'm seeing overextend it pretty soon. XT&T. I was actually watching this. Thank you for bringing it back on my radar. You probably put it back on Scotty-O radar too. Oh, that's crazy. All right, Scotty-O. This looks like a nice little... First off, this is a beautiful stock in terms of for that long. Look at that. Missed that. Damn. That's why you can't keep your eye off of these. What a great long right here. Scott, did you long this? You probably did. You old man, you. Great long. I did not see a short yet. Let me see. I don't see a short. But I am upset I missed it. I am upset I missed it. For sure. Good stuff, man. Let's see. Alpine, how do you develop so much patience? I scalp and leave so much on the table sometimes. You think I'm patient? Shh. Thanks, brother. Thanks, brother. Scotty-O. Scott, you better not be flexing there, Scott. Oh, I see what you see, Scott. I see what you see. This is dangerous. Yeah, I agree with Scotty-O. That's too extreme for old man. Yeah, it is. JE, come on, JE. Just keep fading for me, JE. I'm done in trading. I'm not executing no more trades right now. I'm gonna stick to that. I just want to see how these pan out. There goes LIXT breaking trend. Be careful, guys. FSR, I like it. Potential short. Just not for me. Ah, man, you must be new here, brother. I'll never share my P&L. I'll never talk about profits, specifics, or anything like that. It's my privacy. So sorry for it, buddy. If you're used to that and you're looking for that, you can easily find that on Twitter and just check out all the people who flex all day. But I'm not about that. Lee, alrighty, no worries, brother. CCIV. You know, CCIV, I am watching too. But I don't like it yet, personally. Not yet. Not for me. I do not aim for a percentage daily go or anything like that. I just trade what I see, and whatever the outcome is, it is. That's for Ali R. I have found for me, if I set a goal for XYZ, then I'll try to push for that goal, and therefore I'll force things and not trade well. JE, am I using the down? No, not yet. Am I using the down? The guy asked Jacob, am I using the downtrend line as my stop? No, my stop is still the 495. I'm just using it as a guide. It could become a stop, but right now I'm just watching it because I'm not quite sure where I would stop out at this point. Let's delete all this stuff. It's getting. We know 450s is a key area, so remember 450s is a breakout. Let's make that blues 450s, so that's important. If you know, like if we hold above 450 strong and we hold, I'll get out because that's just not good price action for me because it's a breakout. So I'm just being patient. I'm just looking at the trend line just to keep everything in perspective, and it helps me stay patient. I'm gonna sit down. When you're looking for key areas, how do you know which are good and which are invalid? Do you look for areas that show good support and resistance and then draw the lines? Yes, Ryder. I'm looking for places that have proven that it was support before announced resistance. It's my last play, so we'll see if it works. It's either going to be a, you know, like they say, I'm either going to be right or I'm going to be wrong. Good for you, Allie. Hopefully it works out for you, man. Or I don't know if that's, I don't know, man or girl, whatever. Apologies. There's no picture there. But Allie, hope it works out. And I you. Nice little support right there. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Just not for me, because we still got this downtrend here. So, I don't like to fight the trend. The trend is your friend, for real. Personally. Doesn't mean you're wrong. You stick to your own plan. But if you're going to put it out there, I'm going to give you my opinion sometimes. You like Trader Joe. Trader Joe, let me ask you something. Do you like Trader Joe's grocery store? You might. That's probably why you named yourself that. I like Fibonacci retracement lines paired with moving averages. Cool, man. Good for you. You lock some in, TY. Good for you, bro. I am just trying to be patient. Just trying to be patient here. To get my cover and then I'll be done. You do like Trader Joe's? Yeah, I like my wife and I like Trader Joe's. Recently read Reminiscence of a Stock Operator that you recommended. Just wondering, what is your favorite take from the book and if you have any quotes you like from there. Jim Del Rosario. You know what I love about that book, man, is the story. It's a novel. It's kind of like a journey. And what I like about it is it shows you someone who didn't use all these indicators. He just used price. And basically, based off price, he made decisions. And he did read tape. And that's how he traded. And so all these indicators really show me don't really matter. What's always worked is price action. So it helped me out a lot. On top of that, this is a guy who made stupid money, lost it all, made it all back, and then committed suicide. So it's a good lesson that money's not everything. It's a good lesson that it's not going to fix your problems, but it's also, you can lose everything at any moment if you break rules. Because he talks about why he lost everything. He broke a lot of rules. He started listening to people and taking other people's advice instead of sticking to his own plan. So there's a lot of lessons there, man. Nicholas, why no more trades for the day? For me, my edge is usually ends at 11:30 Eastern. We're already at 12 o'clock. You can see my last entry was around 11:30. So, yeah. I just know my edge, bro. Gets choppy after that. Gets real choppy. The book, here, I'll show it to you guys. Let me send it to y'all right now. Give me 1 second. I got you. I got you. By the way, guys, did y'all know I have this? Let me show you this. Let me show you something real quick. Man, I've been going live a lot lately. Check this out. You'll see every book that I love to read that I made, and the book is in there. Trader. It's called Reminiscence of a Stock Operator. It does help me out. Those are affiliate links, so I appreciate if you use it through there. It does help me, so thanks. Cousin of Hermes. Will you rewatch this live video part of your actual trades, or will you just go off your notes later when you review? I'm gonna be honest, today I haven't typed in my notes, so Scott's probably gonna be upset with me. My bad. I gotta get used to that while I'm trading. Today, I kind of just talked out loud my thoughts and my process and what I was looking at, so that was kind of my live notes. So if I wanted to, I'd go back and watch this, especially if there was a trade I didn't like. But for now, I feel okay. I probably won't do that, to be honest. But I do need to get better at typing my notes, because yesterday I did really well, and today I'm not typing in my notes, and that could be a huge pitfall for me. So I'm actually glad you pointed that out, dude. Very glad you pointed that out. I'm actually typing it in right now because yeah, because if I don't, it'll be bad. Excuses to skip the gym. Oh shit, you might be right. Nah, today I was already thinking not going. This week was an easy week for the gym because last week was a winter storm and we couldn't work out the whole week, And so I worked out hard this week, and my body could barely take it because it sucks after a week off. And so today, I usually take Friday really easy. I may go for a run outside. It's 50 degrees. That's not happening. Maybe, maybe. But that won't be till maybe at the close. But I'm enjoying this right now. But if you want me to leave, Fatih, hey, I'm out. Okay? Travis, PT for CDXC at earnings conference. I don't know what PT means, but good luck. Jim, out for the day, going for the walk the dogs. Good luck on GE. Thanks, man. You have a nice weekend, too. By the way, everyone, if you're watching, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified when I do this again. I'm going to start doing it more often. Probably try to do it every day. But what I will let you know is if you hit that join button and donate to the show and make a small pledge, I appreciate that very much, especially if you're already a subscriber and you already support the show. You don't have to do this at all. Just subscribe. Hit the bell. But if you do that, I plan, because I'm starting to enjoy this, maybe do a live on the weekend for just the people who pledge and just have conversations, talk about anything you want to talk about. Maybe bring you on and have a one-on-one conversation, which would be cool. I might get covered here. That'll be cool. Ravi, I like going in the morning to get it out the way and wake up myself up. Yeah, I wake up at 5:30 and meditate, drink coffee, feed the dogs, prep, get some things done for my side businesses, and then don't really have a lot of time for that. But I like to do it after I'm done trading, which I probably will go do it, guys. I probably will. I mean, I've been streaming since 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30. That's 3 hours, guys. How much step up is important? I work outside on the field. All I have is car and one small laptop. Where is the volume? Your name, first off. Your name is where is the volume? Can you ask that question better? I just don't understand. And Scotty O, I see you made a move on me, son. Oh my god, did my computer freeze? Yeah, I know. You're gonna checkmate me, man. I'm freaking hate it. I'm gonna be honest with you, Scott. Yesterday I was at a restaurant or a brewery with my wife for a wedding guild, and I'm gonna tell you right now, I was a little buzzed whenever I was playing you. So, I don't know if you really beat me or if you beat that Alex. Okay, I'm just letting you know. I'm just like, because I started to see you just taking everything. I wasn't even caring. Nah, we're I don't think we're both short Ruby, Blair. Good for you, but I'm already covered. Are you kidding me? I'm just gonna be done. I know it's gonna hit but I'm ready to be out of this. Alright, I'm all out, and I'm done. 5 cents is not going to kill me. So, we're good. The stress level is completely gone, which is amazing. So, I am done trading, but I can answer questions. If you have questions, I'm happy to go over charts. If you want to go over charts, just have a good time. You know what I'm saying? Just have a good time. Stress-free. The beer goggles. Yeah, Trader Joe. So... because I was beating you, Scott. I was beating you. And then I was just letting you take everything. I was like not even looking. So there's that. Price target, CDXC, up until earnings report. I'm sadly in it at 23.38. I wanted to see where I should go get out, whether it's a loss or a gain. Travis, you should get out now because you're asking that question, brother. You know why I'm saying that? Because when you get into play, you should already know where you're getting out before you even enter. If you watch this live, and if you haven't watched it from the beginning, and if you haven't watched the other ones, go watch the other ones. I've done like 4 this week. Every time I get in, you see me put a stop. It's because I already know where I'm getting out. And you see me put profit targets. Because I already know before I get in where I'm going to take profits. If you don't know that now and you're asking this question, you need to get out now. Because that means you're not a trader. And I'm not trying to be upset. I'm not trying to be rude. I'm trying to shake you a little bit. I want to be real with you. Before you get in, you need to know these things. Because otherwise, you become a bag holder and you don't... You look for other people to tell you what to do, and you'll never be self-sufficient. Hey, I need to go to school, right? So, like, you know what I'm saying, dude. So I appreciate you, man. I appreciate answering your question. It's not a bad question. I'm glad you asked it because there's other people who are doing that right now, too. So thank you, okay? And I hope you understand this is coming from my heart. I will look at that chart, but I would also tell you, you need to think about that before. So let's look at the chart. CDXC, first off. Remember, I was short CDXC, so I still think it's a short. I still think it's going to come down. So I don't know. Other than that, that's all I can tell you. And it's overextended, so I think it's a short for sure. So good luck. It looks like you chased it. 23.38. That's a chase, bro. Like, why would you chase? Like, look at that. So just be, if I'm in it now, if it breaks this, like, you better make a rule, like, you better get out if it breaks that. Don't even hold. Yeah, so you better be careful, man. I mean, I would even be out now. It could still bounce, but odds are not in your favor, brother. They're not in your favor. Look, it hit my price target. Cool. Let's see. No, you're not bad at all. You were awesome, man, honestly. Thanks, where's the volume? Oh, here's a question. How much setup is important? I work outside on construction side, spend most of the trading hours in a car with my laptop and my mobile hotspot. Does computer setup matter? Okay, so if you're a swing trader, bro, it doesn't matter. I swing trade. Everything I do, you see me on my phone here. I take a swing trade on my phone. I swing trade from my phone because it's easy. I have a plan, slow. I expect it to happen in the next 3 days, maybe a week. So try that. Try looking at swing trading. Travis, shit, getting out now then. Thanks, bro. No worries, brother. No worries. Trent, shorting this SRTS bounce, thoughts? I mean, I can see why, but but here's what I'm also seeing. Look at all the support here. So, the risk reward's not really that great. There's tons of support. We just proved to you is support. So as long as you can get a really tight risk, then you can have good risk reward, but you kind of have to force it because there's not a good area to risk off of right now. It's up here. So careful. Ravi, what keyboard do you have? I've been looking for a new mechanical one. I have a crappy one. I gamed a lot. I don't know what this is. I can't even show you, can I? Because it's connected. It's a Microsoft Sidewinder X4 keyboard. I'll link it right now for you. It's nothing special. It's just a gaming. I'm a gamer. I like to game, and I always thought about streaming, but I'm not that good. Let's see. Here it is. Here's the keyboard I have right there. And I think So first off, friendly reminder, everyone, thanks for being here. Do me a solid. Hit that subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell so you're notified, because I do plan to do this and continue to do it. And then do me a solid. If you're already a fan, you already support the show. If you don't know, I interview tons of successful traders, people with 2 decades experience, people who swing long, short, and they're on the show. And I post every Monday and Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that. And if you're already a subscriber, do me a solid, man. Share the show with someone else. That really helps me grow. And if you want to go above and beyond, hit that join button to make a small pledge donation, and that helps me put more effort and grow the show. If you're new, you know, or if you're old, you know my show's evolved. It looks way better now, because I'm trying to make it better for you guys. And other than that, I appreciate you all being here. If anyone has any questions, remember, just always ask your questions. We'll go into it. Ali. Did you ever play StarCraft back in the day? Yes! And I was pretty good. Command & Conquer was my jam. StarCraft, I liked it. I was good, but not good enough. And but that was a long time ago. Trent. Yeah, it's like 1-to-1 RR. Not sure if I should take that. Support seriously calls relative volume. Appreciate the input and all you do. Thanks, man. No worries. I think. All right, guys. I think I am done. I think I'm going to go to the gym. Maybe eat something. I'm starving. But I appreciate you all being here. Thank you so much. And y'all have a wonderful day. Enjoy your weekend. And if you aren't hitting that join button, hit it. Because I think I am going to do some exclusive live streams for just the people who made a small donation. Because I appreciate you guys. And I want to do a little bit something and help you guys out too. Maybe we can have one-on-one talks. Or, you know, the group session, just talk and help you guys out in some way. But thank you guys so much. It means a lot to me. StarCraft is my shit. Literally playing right now. Justin, good shit, dude.